speak about the politics that's playing out. Remember, after a day-long political face-off over the Gayab post that targeted Prime Minister Modi, the Congress now seems to have decided to take it down. This post was taken down last evening. The post has now been deleted, but the BJP is still gunning for the Congress party, saying that merely deleting this post is not going to hide the anti-national and pro-Pakistan characteristic of the Congress party. Remember, it all started with the Congress party putting out a post on social media platform X. This post was put up on Monday night. It mocked the Prime Minister, hurling the Gayab jibe at him. The post featured a picture showing a politician with his head missing. And guess what? This post was reshared by Fawad Chaudhry, a former minister of Pakistan. So the endorsement that the Congress party was getting was from Pakistan. The BJP also referred to the video of a Pakistani diplomat who was seen making a throat-slit gesture at the Indian protesters in London, asking how is it that the Congress and the Pakistan speak the same language and display the same mindset. Watch how the BJP and the allies targeted the Congress party. Okay, all right. We don't seem to have those reactions. We'll play them in a bit. But let's speak about what these posts were exactly and what are the statements that have been made. Hours before the deletion of the tweet, the Congress, in fact, had stuck to the guns with its leaders, asserting that there was nothing wrong with the post, as it merely questioned the Prime Minister's absence in the all-party meeting that was called in the wake of the Pahalgam terror attack. The Congress also accused the Prime Minister of using Pahalgam attack.
Pulwama helped him in his Lok Sabha election. Godhra helped him in his Gujarat election. Now this he is using for his Bihar election.
प्रधानमंत्री देखिए सर्वदलीय बैठक में तो नहीं थे, प्रधानमंत्री नहीं, हालांकि प्रधानमंत्री आए 24 तारीख को वापस और बिहार में चुनावी भाषण देने के लिए चले गए, पर सर्वदलीय बैठक में आने के लिए उनके लिए मौका नहीं, वक्त नहीं है क्या, दिलचस्पी नहीं है क्या?
बीजेपी के अंदर कितना विष भरा है, कितना जहर भरा है, कितने गंदे मन के लोग हैं कि उनको एक पोस्टर में सिर तन से जुदा दिखा, जबकि वो एक पिक्चर के पोस्टर से प्रेरित है. ये पिक्चर का पोस्टर है, गायब पिक्चर.
We are breaking updates now coming in after the Congress party removed this Gayab post from X. After Congress removed the post from social media X, the BJP is saying that this move is a clear indication of what the Congress party's mindset is. Amit Malviya says that deleting the post will not erase the truth and that the mindset has been exposed. My colleague Sabyasachi is live with us with the details. Sabyasachi, take us through what the entire controversy was. The BJP had hit out at the Congress party saying this is an indication of the mindset that the Congress party has, and in fact the post also had some endorsement that came in from Pakistan. Finally, the Congress party, after brazening it out for several hours, has decided to delete the post finally. But take us through what went into the same, because the BJP had continued to attack the Congress party, saying at a time like this, the Congress party should show unity.
Well, that's right. See, the BJP has been highlighting that at this particular time, it is very much important that the Congress party stands with the government. In fact, the BJP has been reminding the Congress party of what its leaders Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, who represented the Congress party at the all-party meeting, clearly stated that the Congress party stands united with the central government as far as the Pahalgam attack is concerned, and the Congress party stands with the central government when it comes to teaching Pakistan a lesson. But clearly, because of the internal rift and a lot of contrasting statement coming in from within the Congress party, where the media department of the Congress party had posted a picture of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in social media X, a headless picture, which has sparked a controversy where BJP clearly hitting out at the Congress party, stating that by mere deleting the post from social media X does not hide the truth. The Congress party has been exposed. The Sar Tan Se Juda mindset of the Congress party has been exposed. Now, as per the sources, some senior leaders of the Congress party have expressed serious concern with the media department of the Congress party over this particular post, and that had resulted the media department later to delete the post from social media X. So there are a lot of rift that is clearly taking place from within the Congress party, and the message has been clear from the Congress party high command that the party leaders had to follow the party line before making or posting any sort of post as far as the Pahalgam attack is concerned.
Okay, all right, Sabyasachi, stay with us as we play out what the BJP had been saying. What led to the Congress party actually taking that decision to bring down this post? Listen into what the BJP and allies had said about the Congress party's Gayab post, linking it to even Sartan Se Juda and saying for vote bank politics at a time like this, the Congress party had decided to toe the Pakistani line.
कांग्रेस पार्टी है तो भारत की राष्ट्रीय पार्टी, लेकिन ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा, अपने दोहरे चरित्र को यहां पे जग जाहिर करती है और लश्करे పాకిస్తాన్ కాంగ్రెస్ బన్ జాతీ హై.
పాకిస్తాన్ని ప్రేమిస్తా అంటారు వీళ్ళందరూ. ఇక్కడ భారతదేశంలోకి వచ్చి మీరు పాకిస్తాన్ని ప్రేమిస్తుంటారు. మొన్న కొంతమంది నాయకులు డిబేట్ లో మాట్లాడుతుంటే చూస్తున్నాను. మీరు పాకిస్తాన్ అంత ప్రేమిస్తే దయచేసి పాకిస్తాన్కి వెళ్ళిపోండి, ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు?
कांग्रेस और कुछ विपक्षी दलों की क्या मजबूरी है कि पाकिस्तान के बोल बोलने जरूरी है, पाकिस्तान का समर्थन करना जरूरी है? क्या उनको भारत के लोगों का खून बहता, इस पर उनका खून खौलता नहीं है?
But the Congress's conscience suddenly woke up. It not only took down this Gayab post, but the party's General Secretary K.C. Venugopal also wrote a letter to all the party leaders, spokesperson, functionaries, asking them to strictly abide by the CWC resolution on Pahalgam adopted on the 24th of April. This letter has called upon all leaders as well as the official Congress social media handles to keep their public expressions on Pahalgam in line with what the resolution is, warning of strict disciplinary action if the directive is actually violated. So that's Congress party cracking down after the post had been put in place. With that, let's get you more details as well. At a time when even the word Pakistan makes any Indian's blood boil, we have serial terror apologist Mehbooba Mufti actually appealing for sympathy. Now, houses of 9 terrorists had been demolished. The list of 14 active terrorists ready, but Mehbooba's message to the security forces was to ensure that houses of common man was not demolished. She, in fact, wants the government to reconsider even the deportation decision because it raises serious humanitarian concerns, according to her. She wants compassionate approach for Pakistani women who are married to Indians, the children, the elderly. But the question is, has she forgotten how in front of the Indian women, their husbands were killed in Pahalgam? A point to be noted is that according to Mehbooba and her party, there are more Indians than Pakistani, and their deportation will be similar to the partition of 1947. But the question is, despite living in India for 30 to 40 years, they could neither adopt Indian citizenship nor give up their Pakistani passport. Is betraying Bharat a habit for Mehbooba Mufti? Remember her concern for the Hizbul terrorist Burhan Wani in 2016? Listen in.
मिलिटेंटों के जो घर जो गिराए गए, उसमें कोलैटरल डैमेज भी काफी हुआ कि बेचारे जो आम लोग थे उनके घर भी गिरे. तो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जैसे जो मिलिटेंट्स के साथ डील करते हुए ये जरूरी है कि ध्यान रखा जाए कि आम लोगों के घर न गिराया जाए. ऐसी औरतें हैं जिनकी शादी 30 साल 40 साल पहले हुई है, उनका घर तो हिंदुस्तान है, वो तो अपने आप को हिंदुस्तानी समझते हैं, वो इस वक्त इस उम्र में कहां जाएंगे? कभी भी उन्होंने मुल्क के खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई नहीं, कोई काम नहीं किया, और वो अपने आप को हिंदुस्तानी तस्वर करते हैं, वो अपने आप को पाकिस्तानी नहीं मानते हैं. जैसे हम कहते हैं जय श्री राम, मुसलमान कहते हैं अल्लाह अकबर. जब कोई मुश्किल में फंस जाता है तो यूजुअली हम लोग अल्लाह अकबर कहते हैं कि जब तकलीफ में मुश्किल में है कि अल्लाह ताला बचाए.
So this was the defense that came in from Mehbooba Mufti for those who are being deported, even the zipline operator who is now under the scanner of the NIA. We continue tracking the developments here, getting you these updates. For now, slipping into a quick break. We'll be right back.